everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about traffic control devices. This topic covers in traffic and comes in your traffic and transportations. So let's see now. The very first is your introduction of your traffic and transports में traffic control devices. The various aids and devices used to control, regulate and guide traffic may be called traffic control devices. The general requirement of traffic control devices are attention, time for response and respect for road user. Types of traffic control devices. There are 4 types of traffic control devices, that are your signs, signals, markings, eye-lines. Traffic signals. They are of great help in regulating traffic by imparting message to the drivers about the need to stop, give way and limit their speeds. There are 3 types. They are of 3 types, that is your regulatory signs, warning signs, informatory signs. Your regulatory signs are, they are meant to inform the road users of certain laws, regulations and prohibitions. The violation of these laws is a legal offense. That comes under your regulatory signs. Then your warning signs. They are used to warn the hazardous condition that exists or adjacent to the roadway. The warning signs in the shape of equilateral triangle with one point upward. Then comes your informatory signs. These signs are used to guide the road users along routes, inform them of destination and distance and provide with information to make travel easier, safe and pleasant. Now you can see these are your regulatory signs, that is your stop, yield to upcoming traffic, speed limit 50, speed limit 80 per kilometer hour. These all are your signs which comes under your regulatory signs. Now the next is your warning signs. Warning signs that says, that warns you, that warns the driver, that is your कि यहाँ से राइट टर्न है, डिवाइडिंग हाईवेज है, डिवाइडिंग हाईवे एंड्स है, 2-वे ट्रैफिक है, हिल्स है, बाइक क्रॉसिंग है, स्टूडेंट क्रॉसिंग है, रेलवे क्रॉसिंग्स हैं, इस तरह से that comes under your warning signs. Then is your journal information signs, emergency dial 911, crossover mile, carpool info, that comes in that any signs that gives you information that here's it's your bus stop, airport, that comes under your informatory signs. The next one is your traffic signals. They are control devices which could alternately direct the traffic to stop and proceed at intersections using red and green traffic lights automatically. The main requirement of traffic signals are to draw attention, provide meaning and time to respond and to have minimum waste of time. Traffic signals आपको पता ही है, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन लाइट्स का जो होते हैं, जो कि आपको बेसिकली इसलिए होता है ताकि वो ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल कर दे, आपका टाइम वेस्टेज को रिड्यूस करे. There are types of traffic signals are your traffic control signals and your pedestrian signals. Traffic control signals. They have 3 colored lights glows facing each direction of traffic flow. Red light means stop, green means to go, yellow means to clearance time. Allow the clearance time. Then is your pedestrian signal. They are meant to give the right way to pedestrian to cross a road during the walk period, when the vehicular traffic shall be stopped by red or stop signal on the traffic signals of the route. You can see the very first figure is your of traffic control signal and the second one is your pedestrian signals. Now comes your road marking. Road marking are made of lines, patterns, words, symbol or reflection on the pavement, curb, side of island or on the fixed object within or near the roadway. The marking are made using paint in contrast with color and brightness of the pavements or the other background. So the markings are of your four types, that is your pavement marking, curb marking, object marking, reflector unit marking. Now what is your pavement marking? They are generally be of white paint. Yellow marking are used to indicate parking restrictions. That is your pavement marking. Okay. Now what is your curb marking? Curb marking, these may indicate certain regulation like parking regulation. Also the marking on the curb and edges of island with alternate black and white line increases the visibility from a long distance. Then object marking, physical obstruction on or near the road hazardous and hence should be properly marked. Reflect unit marking, reflector markers are used as hazard markers and guide markers for safe driving during night. Hazards marker reflecting yellow light should be visible from long distance, about 150 meter. So you can see the very first one is your pavement marking and the second one is your curb marking, जो कि आपके रोड के edges में होती है येलो एंड ब्लैक पेंट में. Then the fourth one is your रिफ्लेक्टर मार्किंग. जैसे आप लाइट रात में अगर ड्राइविंग करते हैं तो रिफ्लेक्टर जो रेड एंड येलो लाइट से जो भी आपको इंडिकेट करता है, दैट इज योर रेड योर रिफ्लेक्टर मार्किंग. ट्रैफिक आइलैंड आर रेज्ड एरियाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड विद इन द रोडवे टू एस्टैब्लिश फिजिकल चैनल्स थ्रू विच द व्हीकुलर ट्रैफिक में बी गाइडेड. सो दे आर ऑफ फोर टाइप्स: डिविजनल आइलैंड, चैनलिंग आइलैंड, pedestrian loading islands and rotatory islands. So divisional islands, they are intended to separate opposing flow of traffic on a highway with 4 or 2 lanes by thus dividing the highway into 2 one-way roadways. The head-on collisions are eliminated. तो डाइविजनल आइलैंड्स वो होते हैं जो अगर आप देखते होगे जब आप हाईवेज पर, जो इस इमेज में आप देखो फन में आपको क्लियर हो रहा है, जो आइलैंड जब अपोजिंग फ्लो हमारे चलती हैं, ट्रैफिक जब हमारा होता है तो जो बीच में आइलैंड जो उसको डिवाइड कर रहा होता है उस फ्लो को, डायरेक्शनल फ्लो को, दैट इज नोन एज योर डिविजनल आइलैंड. नेक्स्ट इज योर चैनलिंग आइलैंड. दे आर यूज्ड टू गाइड द ट्रैफिक इनटू प्रॉपर चैनल थ्रू द इंटरसेक्शन एरिया. They are very useful as traffic control devices for intersection at grades when area is large. You can see in second image एक बीच में island है जो कि proper road से channelize कर रहा है कि हमें किधर को move करना है, किधर को traffic को जिसको जिधर जाना है. तो that comes under your traffic control devices. The next one is your pedestrian loading islet. They are provided at regular bus stops and similar places for the protection of passenger. You can see in this picture 3 which is very clear कि हमारा pedestrian loading islet क्या होता है. So the last one is your rotatory island. It is the large central island of rotatory intersection. This island is much larger than the central island of channelized intersection. So जो हमारा roundabout होता है that comes under your rotatory island. So you can see in this image what is your rotatory island. So by this I have completed your traffic islands. I hope you liked my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.